Misunderstanding targeted employment area definitions, or TEA, and TEA evidence is a common pitfall that not only investors can fall into, but also seasoned EB-5 industry professionals. To qualify as a TEA, an area must be either a rural area or a high unemployment area. Also, under the RIA, infrastructure projects can also qualify for the lower threshold that projects within high unemployment areas and rural areas also qualify for. Let's tackle the definition of rural area. A rural area is an area that is outside a metropolitan statistical area and is also outside the outer boundaries of a town or city having a population of 20,000 or more. So the area can't be within a metropolitan statistical area, and it cannot be within a city or town that has a population of 20,000 or more. To look at whether or not a project site is within a metropolitan statistical area, we look at federal OMB data that lists the MSAs within the United States. If the project site is in any one of those MSAs, it does not meet the definition of rural. We also look to US Census data to see where the particular municipality that the project is in a city or town with a population of 20,000 or more. Both tests have to be met. And if they are, then the area qualifies as a rural area. To qualify as a high unemployment area, the data has to be about high unemployment. And the data has to show that the area is at least 150% of the national unemployment rate. The way that we do that is to look at the actual census tract that the project is sitting on. And under the RIA, we may also look at the surrounding census tracts that are contiguous or touching the census tract that the project is sitting on. And then a weighted average must be taken that shows that together, or the single project census tract, meets the 150% threshold of high unemployment.